My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put little baby in a spiral.
What's your name, bro?
Sid.
What's up, Elliot? Hey, thanks again for hosting, man. Show. What's good, bro?
What's up, Nathaniel?
Nathaniel. All right. Johnathan.
Donald.
You guys already know. Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Matt Doe. I'm out here in Chino Hills for my boy Johnathan's birthday. Johnathan, what's up, bro? Happy birthday, man. Yeah, so we came at 1 a.m. last night and we were just hella tired, so we crashed. And then I woke up, just showered just now. Donald here went on an early morning run. How was that, bro?
It's good, man. It's perfect weather, like 65 degrees. And there's definitely some cow smell in the area, Chino Hills.
If anyone is interested in going to Chino Hills, just know that there's gonna be a ton of cows. I just finished showering, so I'm gonna finish getting ready, and yeah, and all right. So we are ready for the club is Boulevard 3 in LA, and Pandora lineup. It's a free concert hosted by Pandora and Big Sean, DJ Mustard, Machine Gun Kelly, Noah Cyrus. The house we're staying at is pretty nice, actually. Let me see if I can give you guys a little tour real quick.
Dirty clothes in the corner, not sure if I want them. Hella drinking water bottles, some barely just open. Street signs on the wall, dandelions and stolen. If I right all my wrongs, I die a damn good poet. This life ain't going nowhere, we're victims and we know it. Both feeling ashamed, just too afraid to show it. There's angels on our shoulders.
Nice little area spot right here. So there is the living room. We were all chilling there last night. There's some doggies right there. Oh. Hey guys. Alright, let's see here. And we got the kitchen. Pretty big house. Head upstairs real quick. What's upstairs?
She said, come over. I wouldn't ask you if my roommates were anywhere near. I said, what if?
Alright,
Before someone else hops on that shit.
we're gonna head out soon. Probably not gonna bring this camera, so any footage I have is gonna be on this baby right here. So stay tuned. Alright, birthday boy.
Hello, Donald.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day.
We are out for Pandora. You ready, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
I'm ready. Would you say we out here?
We out here. You already know, man. We out here.
It's really cool. Like mine lit up. Like it was the three things. The
Birthday boy is kind of feeling it right now. Do you feel it coming, Johnathan?
I feel it coming.
You feel it coming?
I feel it coming, boys.
Let me put your panties to the side. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to pay. All my niggas close to me, and all them other niggas where they supposed to pay.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both right now.
Gonna play some ball right now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at him. That outfit though.
For the most part, it's probably gonna be.
So I meant to chill today, but looks like they only have 5 people, and they need a 6th person for 3-on-3. And birthday boy here is still recovering. All right, so see you guys in a bit. Oh my God. Oh,
You guys went hella hard.
that was the most cardio I've done in years, man. Not the best thing to do after a night of heavy drinking. Isn't that right, Nathaniel?
No, it's not.
Oh my God. All right, we're headed back to the house. Shower, get ready, and then we're gonna play. I need another epic death like that.
It's not getting thicker. It's getting thicker.
Oh no! Fuck! No! Oh shit! Dude, that was crazy. Alright, so we just touched base in
Rolling Heights.
Diamond Bar in Rolling Heights. We're about to eat some Tokyo shabu hot pot, which I don't know why, because it's hella hot outside. So stay tuned. Oh yeah?
Unless you're too distracted by the baby.
Alright, we are in Shabu Shabu right now, and look, we got the cutest little guy. Hey! How's it going there, buddy?
It's a movie star. Movie star.
So interested.
Alright, and we're about to eat right now. Should we sit down?
Major food coma. Hot Pot 1. Matt 0. Donald here looking at me like I'm a fucking weirdo.
So much better.
Best karaoke.
I know, dude. Holy cow. This is awesome.
Took off her head, dancing like Ricardo. There's some spotlight on this side. And I see the best of the best. Ladies still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all. It's how to treat a lady. I'll let you drive when I ride that Mercedes. Oh, I ain't never had nobody show me all the things you do.
Hi, you're in the restroom.
Elliot.
Say bye. Say bye, Elliot.
Is it even recording?
I think so.
Wait, no, Kip can tell you if we're recording.
Alright.
Oh, that actually helps things.
So we're heading back now. Back home to San Jose.
Since I'm gonna need more.
It's a fun weekend. Definitely down to kick it with these guys again. Thanks again, Jonathan, for
problem, man.
having us. Donald.
Thank you for coming.
Donald for driving. Jonathan,
I
happy
didn't
birthday
really drive,
again,
but I
man.
offered my car. Jonathan's the real driver here.
Until next time, peace.
Panda.